FBI Auto YouTube channel. Today we are doing a POV drive on this 2014 Audi R8 V8 with a 6-speed manual gated transmission. So this is a beautifully spec'd out R8. As you can see, you have all black all around. You have black exterior, black wheels, black accents all throughout the car, but you also have everything black on the inside. So as you can see, you have the quilted stitched leather on the door panels. You also have that on the seat. So this 2014 R8 does have the 4.2 liter V8 engine that pushes out 430 horsepower. This thing is a lot of fun. So let's get outside of this car and do a little walk around so you guys can see this beautiful 2014 Audi R8. So when you hop out of this R8, you'll find that everything is completely blacked out. You've got the black factory wheels, black grille, black accents all throughout the car. As you can see, you have the beautiful LED headlights on this R8. You have the carbon fiber here along the side of the car, and obviously that awesome sounding 4.2 liter V8 FSI engine, and can't forget the beautiful looking rear end of this Audi R8. So let's do a couple revs so you guys can hear what this thing sounds like. Alright, so let's get back on the road, do some more driving. So as you guys can probably tell, this R8 does have an aftermarket exhaust on it, and it sounds absolutely fantastic. This car also does have lowering springs on it. As you can see from the outside of the vehicle, it does sit a little bit lower than OEM. The gated manual on this R8 is just fantastic. It's so fun to drive. Even with it being the 4.2 liter V8, it still has more than enough power for you to have fun in this thing, and it just sounds so good. This 4.2 engine sounds so good. Not to mention, this thing revs up to 8,000 RPMs, and it just keeps and keeps on going. So this R8 does come with some pretty cool features. So you can see it has navigation. It also has a backup camera, and one of the cool things is that it actually has a button right here for you to push the spoiler up and down on the rear end. So guys, that pretty much wraps it up for today's POV drive of this 2014 Audi R8 V8 4.2 with a gated manual. If you enjoyed what you're watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and if there's any other videos you'd want to see on this channel or any suggestions, make sure to comment down below and we'll be sure to make that happen. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.